Hello everyone. What is a cryptocurrency? It's a form of currency that exists digitally on computers. It uses cryptography to secure transactions and makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit. To put it simply, it's a kind of digital asset based on a network that is distributed across a large number of computers. Cryptocurrency is based on a decentralized system to store transactions. This decentralized system allows the devices to exist outside the control of governments. This means that cryptocurrency doesn't have a central issuing authority. Technically, cryptocurrency is a new digital payment system that doesn't depend on controlling authorities, such as banks, to verify transactions. Now, here is a question. When there is no banking system, then where do we keep the cryptocurrency? Well, it is stored in digital wallets. There are two types of wallets, hot and cold. Hot wallet uses online software to secure cryptocurrency. Unlike a hot wallet, a cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, depends on offline electronic machines to store cryptocurrency. Normally, a cold wallet charges some fees, while a hot wallet charges nothing. Let's go more deeper into it. Cryptocurrency is a peer-to-peer system that enables anyone, anywhere in the world to send and receive money, instead of carrying around physical money and exchanging it in the real world, which makes a lot of hassle. Cryptocurrency transactions exist purely digital in an online database. First cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was founded in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, and it remains the best known until now. Much of the interest in cryptocurrency is to trade for earnings because sometimes prices go higher and people earn handsome profits. I would suggest before you invest in cryptocurrency, don't forget to consider its ups and downs because it is highly volatile currency. Now the question is, why do we need a cryptocurrency? The answer is very straightforward, because it simplifies the transactions. For example, when you use your bank card for payments, sometimes transactions are declined. There could be many reasons, such as limit exceeded, low balance, network issue, etc. While in cryptocurrency, these problems never happen because of a decentralized network. Alright, so how does cryptocurrency work? It works on a distributed public ledger, also called a blockchain. When you transfer cryptocurrency between two people, transactions are recorded on a blockchain. I have already explained blockchain in my last video. There is a link in the description you can go through. Alright, so when a crypto transaction happens on the blockchain, a copy of that transaction goes to everyone on the network for verification, making it more secure and almost impossible to hack, modify or cheat the system. If the transaction is verified and validated by each device on the network, then it will be added to the blockchain. The good thing is, in a blockchain, a record of all transactions is updated and maintained by cryptocurrency owners. Here, currency owners act as a bank. They have full control over their money. Cryptocurrency uses tough and powerful encryption methods to verify transactions. The purpose of encryption is to deliver security, safety, and protection against online threats. Advanced coding algorithms are used in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between wallets and digital public ledgers. Bitcoin uses SHA-256, Ethereum uses Ethash, and Litecoin uses script algorithms. Now you must be thinking about how cryptocurrency comes into existence when there is no issuing body. Well, cryptocurrency is generated through a process called mining, which involves consuming a lot of computer's power to solve complex mathematical problems that produce coins. For example, Bitcoin is generated using Bitcoin mining. Process is simple. Download a software that contains a full history of transactions that have been occurred in their network. Though anyone with a computer and internet connection can mine cryptocurrency. This is an awesome feature that gives you an opportunity to start mining, and you will get a reward in the form of bitcoins. Apart from this, you can also buy cryptocurrency from brokers and exchanges, then store it in your online wallet for trading. People who buy cryptocurrency access their currency through a special password called a private key. They must enter their private key to send or receive cryptocurrency. Keys are stored in online crypto wallets. How many types of cryptocurrencies available? There are more than 5,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation. Common ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Polkadot, Cardano, and so on. What are the benefits of cryptocurrency? Transferability, transparency, portability, security, privacy, and safety. Here is the dark side of cryptocurrency. It has become a popular tool for criminals to carry out evil activities such as money laundering, illegal trading, etc. The case of Dread Pirate Roberts, who operated a marketplace to sell drugs on the dark web, is already well known. Cryptocurrency has also become ideal for hackers who use it for ransomware attacks. The bottom line is, some companies are accepting cryptocurrency as a medium of payment, such as Microsoft, PayPal, Amazon, and much more, while in some countries it is still banned or illegal to use. In addition to that, some people are supporting cryptocurrency and some are against it. They believe it is a disaster to the world's economy. What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comment section. Alright, so this wraps up cryptocurrency topic. As always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button for more videos.